So what I got going on here today is pretty much going to be showing you how to fix a little bit of oil leak. You can see we got a lot pretty much around this oil pan gasket. Now a couple things you need to do before doing the silicone is you need to try to tighten these two bolts up here and here, but most of the time the gasket's so bad that it's just mashed up all the way and it can't do no more. It's just lightly leaking. That's what's going on here. I'm going to show you how to fix that without changing your oil pan gasket, because that can be a pain, especially in these 7.3 diesels. So you will need some brake cleaner, a Paw Patrol washcloth. You really don't need that. You can use a t-shirt, rag, or anything to wipe it off. Then you will need some optimal black silicone. Now you can use other kinds of silicone, but oil resistance the best, and you want this extremely clean, so this looks pretty decent for jobs like this. So go ahead and open up your brake cleaner. Try to do this one-handed and clean this up good. I might go ahead and replace this seal. I'm not 100% on that. Something I might can get by with, because I am installing a new clutch, but I recommend to replace that while you got everything off. It's easier. I'm just not 100% if I want to do it, because most of my oil leak was right here, and as the flywheel spins, it tosses it on up around this area right here. So pretty much this is my issue. I could change the oil pan gasket like I said, but if you're watching this video, you're probably like me, and that's a big ass job. Seriously. So go ahead and open your silicone up. Once you get your silicone, go ahead and put a bead where you cleaned it, just like so, all the way around. The reason we cleaned it, because silicone won't stick to it if it's not properly clean. You want to give the brake cleaner a few seconds, well, about 30 seconds to dry to a minute. Now, once you get that, lay this to the side, don't get it all over you. Take your finger, put a glove on if you don't like silicone, and mash this into the groove. And work it. And then you can wipe this off. Take some brake clean, spray it on your hands, which I don't recommend, but it's a good way to clean your hands for mechanics. But I don't recommend it because it could be dangerous for you. Do it at your own risk. I use it. And gas too. Oh well. But once you get it smeared, that's pretty much what the repair will look like. Before you put your clutch and flywheel and pressure plate back on, you want to give it proper time to dry. I'm going to give this overnight before I even mess with it, because I don't want to mess with the repair. But try to snug your bolts up a little bit first, and then use the silicone to smear it, and that's pretty much it. Simple, probably 3-minute repair. And if it's a small leak, it'll help fix it. If it's a terrible leak, it probably won't. So this is why I went ahead and fixed that little bit of a leak on my oil pan that I had. It should fix it. It ain't the proper way to do it, but it saves you a whole lot of trouble of changing that oil pan gasket, especially if it's not leaking a ton. So this is actually the new flywheel I got. This is a kit I got from Advance. It's a CarQuest brand kit, because CarQuest, Advance bought CarQuest, I think, or something like that. That's the part number. It comes with all the bolts and all that fancy stuff. That's the clutch and pressure plate. Seems pretty good quality. It comes with all this. Pretty good kit. So if you want to see an install video of this, and this video you found helpful, drop me a like and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. If you do, be sure to check my channel out for more content, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.